Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hopefully, everybody had a good evening last night. I hope everybody has a great day. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the first New York session that we're doing in months. As you guys know, I am a full time day trader. Um, I quit my job running a very large golf course, and now I am streaming full time while I trade. I have a six-figure account, and I trade my own capital. And now I'm streaming New York session as well as Asian session. So, welcome, guys. If you're just joining, we're gonna go over some charts. Right now, the chart that I like the most is CHF-JPY, the Swiss franc to the Japanese yen. I really like this to come down here to the lower half here, down to the downside. Downside's looking like 100 plus pips on the 4 hour. We just got a new 4 hour candle, obviously. So we're looking to take sells here, possibly. This one's going to be my number one, but we're going to continue to run through these charts here. Euro AUD looks like a possible sell. I don't love the fair value gap there, but we're going to take a look at that one. GBP USD gapped down to start the week. The gap down is typically not the sign we're looking for. With it moving up toward the upside, but we'll see. Jordan, what's going on, man? How are you? USD JPY, we're going to see what happens here going into New York session open. If the dollar continues to rise based off the overall sentiment with geopolitical conflicts in the Middle East, if they truly are not coming to any sort of agreement here, we may see the dollar rise. The trade we took last night, we mitigated, guys. We did get out early. Just wasn't a fan of the way it was moving. But that was AUD USD. Again, it's not holding much drawdown right now. It's 7 pips in drawdown. You could still be holding it. I didn't like this candle right here on the 4 hour. I didn't like this candle. It looked like it was going to keep going. So I pulled the trigger and got out early, which obviously is not a problem. But if you're still in this, you obviously still can be. I'm not, though. I got out early with minus 13 pips. Not a big deal. GBP CAD ended up going to TP2 last night. I still think this thing's coming down. So GBP CAD, especially on the day, I believe this to be moving toward this area down here. So we'll keep that marked. Euro USD, we're probably not going to touch now based off the past hour movement, but we will see. This may reject. What's up, Smith? Yeah, AUD USD will unflag. Yeah, a lot of interesting charts going into New York session open. And as you guys know, I don't typically trade this session, but we're going to today. GBP NZD looks like a sell. Break and retest right here. We broke the key level right there. So looking at this, we could see this come toward the downside and fill out this level down here, which is like the 22.29000 area. Very possible. That's something that we're going to look at as well. Other than that, everything else, not really the biggest fan of. Granted, we're 2 minutes into market session open on a Monday. So again, happy Monday, everybody. Boy, that looks like it could finish off a double top. Euro NZD. Euro NZD looks like it could finish that off, and we could see this area down here, which means we'd be looking for the 1.9400 area. 1.9400 would be 200 plus pips. That's a lot of pips. Looks like it consolidated right here for a little bit too. So we saw a little bit of consolidation. And then it just broke down toward the downside here. Would love to see it break this this low though. Break and retest it maybe. We'll mark that as well. But just flipping through these charts here on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, we're just kind of looking for anything that really sticks out in terms of rejecting a support or resistance or an extreme break of structure. NZD-JPY looks like it could be a buy. AUD-CHF from yesterday, which looked like a strong buy, still is considered a strong buy in most cases here. We still have not seen that break this area. It came down twice with one big candle up. The big candle up went for roughly 14 pips. It looks like it may be getting ready to rocket launch now, but we're going to hold off on that chart. So like I said, CHF JPY is going to be my number one. Reason being, and we'll draw this out here, is nice support, nice resistance, really nice break of structure right here. So if we were to, I'll actually draw out the break of structure for you. This is where we had the break of structure right there. So very important to note where it is on the chart and not just identify it. There's your break of structure and your retest. So it looks like we might take sells here. See, we just got a 15-minute at market open, so we're going to take a look here and see what we got. The 4 hour is the chart that looks good for the sell. Yeah, the 4 hour chart is the chart that looks like the sell chart for sure. You get that out of the way just because we already, this kind of already made its move to TP2 for us. Yeah, this thing's coming down. We're going to get in this chart, guys. We're going to get in shorts on CHFJPY, it looks like here. And it looks like our AUD USD chart is coming back down. So if you guys are still in the AUD USD chart, it's coming back down. Let's mark up some take profits here. How many pips is that? Let's see here. 22. Yeah, we like that. CHF, JPY sells is what we're going to get in here, guys. Not sure what's going on here. All right, let's type this out and get this in. CHF, JPY, sell. Yeah, I'm going live twice a day now. I've been talking with my microphone paused, hasn't I? Haven't I? FX Star Fleet, Ryan, Jordan, what's up, guys? Hope everybody's having a good day. Yeah, I quit my job there, FX Star Fleet, so I'm full-time day trading. Took me 15 years, but we got here. We here. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm not quite sure why my broker's not loading, but it's okay. I'm in this trade. But we are short on we are short on CHFJPY, guys. We are short on that. We are in profit though. What is going on with Hanko right now? I don't know why it's using this one. It's alright. It's weird how it just kind of stopped working, but that's alright. But if you're just joining us, guys, we're short on CHFJPY. Get some selling pressure here. We are roughly in About 10 pips of profit right now. 10 pips of profit. Ten Pipperinos. Really nice break and retest here on this one. Day chart is extremely bearish too. Excuse me. The day chart is so bearish. It's nice when it aligns on every time frame. You know? There we go. That's some good movement there. Alright, we gotta fix this. So P&L needs to be on. Yeah, I think it's going to as well. I let everybody know last night, but I'm not worried. Just gonna keep at it, you know what I mean? Yeah, thanks, brother. I appreciate that. It's good to see you here. Getting some really nice movement here. Almost 21 pips in profit. Yeah, I don't know why they're having such an issue right now. It's odd. Yeah, live P&L's not up because I'm having an issue with my broker right now. Yeah, 199958 for like 22 pips. Yes, sir. It is. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. We are short on CHF We had an extremely nice break of structure, as you guys can see here. Break and retest. So we got in sales off of the retest. This is on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is also extremely bearish. Beautiful break and retest. And then the 1 day is also bearish. This huge red candle. This came up and wicked overnight during London and Asian. It looks like it's going to come all the way down. We might see 100 plus pips. So, and we're about to get a new hour candle here in 3 minutes. So, we'll see what happens. Welcome, welcome, guys. Curious. Yeah, no, just gotta stay there. Yeah, man. I've been a PGA member and I've ran a very, very large golf course. Been in the golf industry for the past 15 years, and I quit my job. I'm full-time streaming, full-time mentoring, and full-time day trading. Yes, sir. I quit my 6-figure job for this. Making over 100 grand a year. Well over 100 grand a year to do this full-time. So I'll be streaming the New York session and the London, in the Asian session each day now. Hell yeah, man. Nice. Good for you. That's awesome. Tammy Montano, good to see you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see who. All right, new 1 hour candle here. I'm really pissed my P&L's not working. Maybe I'll do it on the small account since it's not working on this one. No, not new window. Wonder if it'll work over here. It's not working anywhere. It's weird. There you go. It's working on the smaller account, which is good. Let's go to CHFJPY. Oh, I'm sore. Looks like I just have to move it up just a tad. There we go. This is the smaller account. As you guys know, I trade 2 accounts at the same time. But this is the smaller account because I can't get the larger one to pull up right now. It's keeps freezing on me. It's only working on my phone. I've never had that happen before. That will be all right though. You know what I could check? Let's double check that it's working on my phone. I also wanted to check that AUD USD chart and see if we made the right move there. Not that I like to go back to charts, but it's right at entry. Of course it is. It's all right. It's all right. It happens. let's see where we got it. 200,086. That's a little more accurate. I wonder if it's doing that just there or it's doing it everywhere. Yes, sir. Sometimes more. I got nothing to do now other than create content, get my tan on, and go to the gym. So, yes. Yes, sir. Which ones, Andrew? Just everything? Did you see the trade from last night? I ended up exiting at 13 pips, but that AUD JPY chart is just not having it. Sorry, the music's going to go away for a second here, guys. I got to restart my browser. Apparently that might be the issue. We got a good move there, guys. Good move there. All right, let's try this again. And get back to the music. That was loud. There we go. We got some profit there, boys. TP1 smacked. Let's go. $23+ pips in profit. $23+ pips and $23+ pips in profit. Let's go, baby. Oh, first trade of the day is looking good. Diego, what's up, man? Hopefully this time of day works a little better for you. Typically, yes. This one I'm going to wait till probably TP2. It's so early in the session. And because on the day chart, it's also very bearish. So there's the 4 hour. And look at the day chart as well. I'm going to give it some room to breathe. But that day is a massive wick down off of a huge red previous day candle. I think this thing's coming down. So I'm going to give it some room to breathe on this one. What the heck was that? Oh, sorry, guys. Taking a screenshot from my broker guy. There we go. Let's see this 15-minute come down. This fair value gap might give us a tad bit of trouble, but that's all right. Oh. It's a big wick. It's a big old wick. It's all right. Looks like it's just coming to retest, especially on this 1 minute here. So we get some push down here. CAD JPY. That's a good long. That's a good long there. To double zeros. Yeah, that's a good long. Nice. That's a good long right there. I like GBP CAD to come down far. GBP CAD's going to come down for... GBP CAD's going to go for another 60 to 70 pips right now to finish that double top. GBP NZD, Euro NZD, all the charts that we looked at are going to come down in my opinion. It's a big rejection there. See what we get. We just got a new 5 minute. Alright, it's coming back up to retest the EMA. Not a big deal. I need to do the same. Now that I'm a stay-at-home boyfriend, I need to start cleaning as well. Unfortunately, I think cleaning might be the worst thing in the world. I might just get a cleaning lady. You want to come clean my house too? You got kids, Andrew? Oh no. No, no one tells me what to do. Uh-uh. No one tells me what to do. I love my girlfriend to death, but she's 25 years old. I'm not getting bossed around. The only list I have is go to the gym and then go to the pool and get work on my tan. That's about it. That's the only list that I got right now. Stream, film, video, and content, pool and gym. Beach too. Just start enjoying life again, guys. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. That's the goal of this whole trading thing for all of us. Is to start enjoying life. Not working jobs. Working sucks. Shit, I did it for 15 years. I'm done with it. 32 years old now, and all I want to do is enjoy life. Oh my god, was I fucking muted the whole time? Oh my gosh. I was muted the whole time. Honey-do list. No. Oh, I can just copy and paste. Nah, that's not what I meant to do. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. I gotta use the restroom. Sorry, there we go, guys. It's fixed. I had to just speak with the guys over at Hanko to fix my account there. It was wasn't loading. We're good. This is what I've been in the whole time. I was just showing the smaller account. But there we go. All right, we back. We back. I am going to mute myself for one. I do it live for you guys, live every single day. Check it out. Plenty of people watching. Let's go. Got to make the content too, you know? I do it live for you guys every single day. That's live profits. Got people watching. Live profits here. Catch me every single day live. Consolidating below the EMA is good too. Almost a 10K. 10K morning ain't bad. Can't really ever be mad at that. Getting a lot of movement right here.
What do you think? Should we call it?
I do it live for you. Let's see this 5-minute tank. Let's see this 5-minute tank, baby. Let's switch to that other account real quick. I think we're gonna sell GBP CAD also. What is this? CHFJPY. It's okay. We're okay with a retest. Retest is not bad in this situation. What do we got? 1 and 2 minutes until we get a new hour candle, and we're going to be in the full swing of New York session. 11 a.m. This hour doesn't want to close green, though. It's not going to close green. And we retested already, too. So, like, the retest is out of the way. One minute left in this hour candle here. Let's fill this wick. We're caught in between two fair value gaps on the 1 hour, and that's the only issue I see here. If we can break that TP2, the 199758, be in really good shape. Telling you what, GBP CAD looks like an amazing sell. I'm going to send that out just as a heads up. How many people are in this trade? We got anybody in here in this trade with us? Let's see this thing drop. This next like 30-40 minutes is going to tell us whether we're going to exit this or not. Gotta go open the front door for my boy. He's coming through. I'll tell you what, guys, and I know there's not a lot of people in here, but there is no better feeling than being retired. I'll tell you what, there really is no better feeling. Talk about having a weight lifted off your shoulders. No. No, I mean, I got a business too. I meet with clients all day, every day. I got clients that I talk with, like, um, and I'm growing a business too. You know what I mean? I have a business, but man, I can golf all I want. I'm gonna join the club that I used to work at. Nah, man, I was made for this. I was made for the retirement life. Just work out, go to the pool, go to the gym. I ain't gonna get sick of that. I will never work for somebody again the rest of my life. I promise you that. No. No, no, no. No dogs for me. No dogs. Go and travel. You might see some streams in Greece. You might see some streams in New York. Streams all over the world. Just wasn't meant to be a working man my whole life. I don't want a dog. I think I'm too selfish for a dog. Oh, nice. You use travel? I'd love to do the RV thing too, but I like hotels too much. Like, I don't even do Airbnbs, man. I ain't trying to fucking clean up myself, bring my own garbage out. Screw that. If I'm on vacation, I want to be taken care of. I like the bougie vacations, you know? It's a problem, but it's okay. Telling you what, GBP CAD right here, guys, is going to drop off the face of the earth. GBP CAD may come down for another 100 pips. Waiting to see here what the CHF JPY chart's going to do. It's having trouble breaking that FVG right here, but once we break this, we'll be in good shape. This thing's going for the lows. Only like a couple minutes into. Yeah, it's consolidating right here. We should have it reject and come down. Oh, I forgot to post to YouTube. I do it live for you guys every single day. Take a look. That's live profits. We've got people watching. Live profits here. Catch me every. CJ looking strong to the finish. I might just TP one and give it the finger. Yeah, it's looking good. I like the CJ trade right now. I think I'm gonna hold this throughout the day. To be quite honest with you, trying to make quick 20 grand on it. 20 bands, nothing big, nothing too big. Excuse me. There we go, baby. Let's drop. We don't want no wick. We just want to see this thing drop. GBP CAD is the way to go, too, right now. I might send a second signal out. What you thinking, Andrew? There we go. That's what we want to see. Oh, put my laptop in. This is what we want to see, baby. What is TP2 again? Let's take a look here. I sent out TP2 was... Yeah. This GBP CAD trade. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. Yeah, I would be out before that. Just want to see this thing drop off. I might close on the small account. Hey, Diego, does this timing work better for you than the Asian session? I assume, what is it? It's got to be better. Close everything and go hit the gym, huh? I might. I'd like to see what these next couple candles do for us. Yeah, I'm going to give it one more hour. It's retracing that wick so good. I think we hit 2. If we can hit TP2, I'll be out. TP2 is what? 199758. Yeah, 199758, I'll be happy. There we go, 10K plus. Let's go. $10K plus, baby. Oh, man, I'm sore. One nine nine five two three. GCAD. On GBP CAD, we're gonna go 1.88790. MNQ. Hey, what'd I tell you yesterday about MYM? I told you that thing was going to drop off the face of the earth. MNQ long. It looks like a big ass consolidation pattern to me, Andrew. Nice, there you go. Oh, fuck. Excuse me. There we go. This is what we were waiting for. Yeah, I don't blame you. You take it easy. I didn't go too big on this either. I'm in for 75 lots on this CJ trade. I was thinking about a quick 300 banger, but told myself pump the brakes there, Matt. Let's see what we got here. Let me put our take profit lines in. Yeah, I was going to go for a 75 lot banger, or I am in for 75 lots. I wanted to go for more, but I told myself just fucking pump the brakes here, Matt. It's your first week retired. Yeah, 1K, I mean, 1K a day is great, man. I don't know anyone that would complain about that. You're making more than 90% of the people in the world. I'm not even going to mark the stop loss. I'll just mark drawdown. And then on GCAD, because I think I'm going to end up sending that out, we'll go 1 and we'll go 2 and we'll go... How many pips is that? 10. We got more than that. Thanks, Jordan. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I'm trying to get to a point where... So I got an account. Long story short, 3-4 years ago, I got an account up to $750,000, and I blew it. I want to get back to that and get to $1 million. Not blew it, but I took a big loss, and I want to get back to that. I want to get back to $1 million account. That's where I'm at right now. $1 million account, take 10 pip trades, 500 lots, 400 lots, clean sweep out of there daily. Shelton. I think we've all kind of been there, though. You know what I mean? Make sure my camera's charged. I think I may close on CHFJPY on... Hell yeah, 4.5. There we go, 11K. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's push. Alright, guys, I think 11.2K on stream ain't bad. 11.2K on stream. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's exactly the plan, man. It's exactly the plan. Alright, we're going to close 50% at 23 pips. Nah, it's not even really worth it. Let it keep going. Here we go. Start ripping. Now move stop losses to break even. There we go. Let's go to signals. Yeah, you getting some XRP today? Yeah, let's go. $13K. Ah, we're almost at TP2, baby. You think so? You might be right. Might throw some kesef in it. Throw some money. 13.3K. How many pips we got on this bad boy? Nice. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. 13.5. Yeah, I think so as well. Yeah, I don't disagree with you. Thanks, FX Starfleet. Hopefully you made some money there, brother. I think this thing's going. Like, going. I think this thing's coming down to the bottom, to be quite honest with you. Especially on the day chart. Like, look at the day. This thing's coming down to here. Look at that wick. This thing's coming down to TP4. 14 grand. It's a TP2 real quick. Nice 32 pipper would be nice. How's it fucking around? No, it's not. Thanks again, FX. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, CAD. Right, CAD. I thought you were talking about this one right now. I was like, I don't know what you're talking about there. This one's not messing around. This thing's going. Oh, you know what? Shorts, that's why. Hold on. See you, Andrew. Take care, brother. Thanks for participating today, man. Good to see you. I'm going to get my day started here in a minute as well. I want this TP2 to smack, baby. Let's go. Let's have this TP2 smack. It's so close. So close. What's our GBP CAD trade doing? Boom! Let's go. 34 plus pips. Full profit taken. Let's go. I'm closing 1 and closing 2. I'll leave 1 runner. Let's go. 34 plus pips. Let's go. Let's go, boys. That's it for me for the day. I'll leave this runner. That's about it. Enjoy your day. It's 11 a.m. and I think I'm going to go get a tan and sit by the pool. So the small account banked, the big account banked. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you guys. I'm going to end this stream how I always do. Let's go. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you in the Asian session later tonight. Asian session tonight, boys.